Oh, hi. I'm hidden. I'm hidden. You can't see me. You can't see me. Hi. Hi. What's up? How you doing? You want to see me? Hey, you want to see me, Chai? You want to see me? Hi. Hi. What's up? What's up? Hi, Chai. Hello. Hi. 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 How are you? How are you? Ah! Hi, Avia. Congratulations on the early gang. Hi, Speaks. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, Rina. Thank you for the love. I really appreciate it. I love you guys very much as well. Hi, Jordan. Hi, Grim. Hi, Noaxel. Hi, Grim. I already said hi. Oops. The ground is up. The ground is up. I finally somewhat set up my stream deck. I only put one toggle on it. I'm so happy to see you guys. I'm so happy to see you. This is the only toggle I need. This is the only toggle I need. This is the only toggle I need. I'm so happy to see you guys. And I'm not happy anymore. I'm not happy anymore. I'm not happy anymore. Thank you for the love. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm happy again. I'm happy again. I'm happy again. I'm really proud of myself. I'm really proud of myself for setting up my toggles. Please be proud of me. Please be proud of me. Please be. I mean, I put one in, but I have my stream deck now. Hello, everyone. Hi. I hope you had a great weekend. I hope you ate lasagna because lasagna are very good. I love lasagna. Lasagna tastes delicious. Yeah, lasagna tastes delicious. I actually eat spaghetti. I love spaghetti as well. I love anything that's like tomato sauce-ish. I think that has tomato sauce. I'm actually a big fan of. I'm really partial to tomatoes. Hi, Plasma! How you doing? What's up? What's up? Lasagnas? No. No. How could you? How could you? No. No lasagnas. Lasagna. Not as in the cat noise. Not as in the cat noise. No, not the cat noise. Not the cat noise. The pasta. The pasta. I'm very hecking sleepy. I don't know why I've been so sleepy the last 2 days. Sand pillows. I've been sleeping okay though. I guess I've been sleeping like between 6 and 7 hours a night, but that's okay for me. You know, for me that's actually quite a lot. So, what's up with that, huh? I shouldn't be sleepy like this. What the? What the? What the? We're like fucked up sleep schedule? Probably a fucked up sleep. I don't know. I've been going to bed at 2 AM again. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Anyway. Hello! Have you ever wondered what would happen if you were to press the button? You know that big red button they told you not to press? They keep telling you to not press the red button. But hear me out. Hear me out, chat. What if? Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? What if we press the button? What if we press the button? What if we said no to society and press the button anyway? So this is why today we're going on a quest to press the button. I will evaluate the situation, and with my magnificent IQ and very big brain, we'll decide to press the button or not. And you guys can tell me if you want to press the button as well. I'm kind of curious to know what you guys will be saying. So to do this, I have requested the help of a very cool website called Will You Press the Button? Will you press the button? So, I guess it's time to discover if Rika will actually press the button or not. Let me... We're on the website, it actually worked, and I just realized I forgot to reset my, Don't mind me. I forgot to reset something. Oops. I forgot to reset the goals for today. That's what I was supposed to do. I was like, I'm pretty sure I'm missing something, but I can't remember what it is. That's what it was. It's fine, chat. You've seen nothing. I'm a prepared streamer. I would never be scuffed. I would absolutely never ever be scuffed. No, mind me being on stream elements for like 2 seconds. Here you go. You saw nothing. You saw nothing. You saw nothing, chat. You saw nothing. Yeah. Oh, it's there. Hello. How are you doing on this nice and fine day? I'm gonna put myself here. Yes. This looks good. This looks good. This looks good to you, chat. Will Rika press the button? I will press the button. I will press the button. I don't know if I'll press the button on this one. I haven't read it yet. I haven't read it. You know, recently I just had an elimination. Very recently I just had like I don't know. I just got enlightened at some point. I was thinking about Reddit, right? I was thinking about Reddit because I do spend a little bit of time on Reddit. And I was thinking about Reddit and I just realized that Reddit is read it. Like, you read something, you read it. Am I the only one who would never notice this? I feel stupid. I feel stupid! It has to be that, right? It's a wordplay, right? I feel stupid for only understanding that now. Enlightenment and Reddit do not go together. Beans. I think one of my favorite subreddit is Bean Reddit. The one with Bean in weird places, I think is called. That one. And malicious complaints. The petty subreddit. I love that so much. Yes, I have favorite subreddits. What you gonna do, huh? I actually do spend time on Reddit. What's up? Fair enough. Humma. Anyway, it is time. It is time to decide if we will press the button. Will we press the button on this? Let me read. The person you love most will love you too. Okay, so far I already have that. I love myself most, so I love myself. So far, there's no benefits. You two will have a car accident at the age of 40. You're expecting me to live to 40. Actually, that's kind of a good thing already. And that person dies. Here, let me... Hi, Pistol! What's up? How you doing? So far, I see no downside to this. I see no downside to this. I don't know what you mean. I get to live until 40 years old with my bad life habits? Heck yeah, I'm gonna press that button. Apparently not a lot of people agree with me on this. Apparently not a lot of people agree. Better to have love and lost than not to have loved at all. Aw, that's cute. That's kind of cute. Here, I'll make myself smaller. I think I'm too big. Soup high! Oh shit. Why am I lagging all of a sudden? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I've been possessed. Why have I been possessed? What's happening to my mama? My mama. Oh, what's up? Stop it. it! Stop it immediately! Stop it immediately! Okay, I'm back on. What the fuck happened? What the heck happened here? I'm back. What the heck? What the heck? But yes, hello, little Gordon. Yes, soup. I love soup. She did it? Of course I would. Of course I would. I mean, you know what? That's fair. It's a hell no for you. But for me, since I'm the person who loves myself the most, it means there's no downside to this. Hi, Ethan! I missed you. My mental health is shit. Can I please get an ara? You've been asking very nicely. Also, you said you missed me. So, of course, I'm weak to that. So, of course. Ara. Okay, I hope you feel better soon. I'm sorry to hear that your mental health is shit. I hope it gets better soon. We'd be praying for you. What if you're over 40? Would you die in that second? Oh, that's a good question. Does anyone who's like 40 want to try? Do any of you guys want to try this? Hi, Plasma! Hi, Plasma! How you doing? Thank you for the love, Ethan. I appreciate you as well. Please take care of yourself. I'm not 40. What? I've never said you were 40. I never said you were 40. You're guys trying to kill it? I'm not. Hey. Okay. Understand. It's the person you love most, not yourself. The reason why it's myself here is because I'm the person I love myself most. Also, hi, Yokar. I'm glad to see you. Rika trying to sacrifice the old viewer. Oh, I would never do that. I would only sacrifice babies. What the hell, little Gordon? I hope you enjoy your suffering. I only sacrifice babies. And kids. And children in general. Understandable. You should eat your veggies.
Emotional damage.
You should eat your veggies better. Nom. Yeah, you got your owl, but I'll do owl again. Are you ready? Song. I really appreciate it. Humma. Bro, really smell the fart? Hey, you're the one who farted, chat. Don't put it on me. Okay? Anyway, apparently people do not have the same opinion as me on this one. Next one. You can speak every single language. But the more you speak other languages, the more you forget your original language and the more painful it is to speak. Now, if you are not aware of this, my original language is French. Now, why would I ever not want to forget how to speak French? Why would I ever not Want to forget how to speak French, exactly. What actual benefits are there to speaking French? Tell me. Huh? 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 So I'm gonna click the button. I'm gonna click the button. Does typing, texting count as speaking another language? I should have probably thought about that before I clicked the button. But then again, I'm done with my thesis. I mean, it just means I'd have to move, right? I don't know, I'll move to the UK or something, it's fine. I'll move to Japan. I'll move to Japan like a fucking weeb. You know what? As a VTuber, I think it's only beneficial for me. 100%. Wait, you're from GTA 6, please? Wait, is GTA 6 in France? No, I'm not from France, I'm from hell. However, is GTA 6 in France? I do, just so I have an excuse not to speak. That's fair as well. That's actually very fair. I think this is introverted good excuse right here. It's a joke because of the Oh, that's a good one. I'm not from France, but I admire the France baguette, basically. The baguette attitude. If you're French, I do admire your baguette attitude. I don't know how to describe it. Actually, can anyone from Paris confirm? Are people in Paris actually assholes? Is that an actual thing? I've heard so many people say that people in Paris are like actually kind of mean. Is that true? I know that it's really pricey. I know for a fact it's actually really pricey. But are they actually mean? Are they really? Rika, you should help me on my mental health, and you being you is actually one of the best things I know to help me relax and get my mood up after a long day. I'm actually gonna sleep now because it's 11:50, so good night, Rika. Have a good night, Ethan. Thank you so much for coming and for your nice compliments and words. I really, really appreciate it. Please take care of yourself. We're rooting for you. You got this. Make sure you rest, hydrate, and we will be here when you need us. Yes. See you on another stream. I hope you take some time to yourself and to feel nice and rested. Have good sleep. I hope you have good dreams. But if you have nightmares, I hope I'll be in them. Big baguette, yeah, big baguette. Remember when I had a big baguette? It was a giant baguette. I love my baguette. Maybe one day I'll ask Mama Brujita to make me another baguette. Minus back to Taurus and others. Oh, really, man? I thought it was just a cliche. According to Dad, it smelled like piss when he got to Paris. Not sure why. To be fair, a lot of places smell like piss. But maybe I'm not the best person to talk about smelling like piss, seeing that I kind of pee all the time everywhere. Paris was ill and the rest were super nice. Yeah, I know a lot of places in the south and in the north are reputed to be nice. But I don't know about Paris. Maybe instead of a baguette, just have your own Rika body pillow to hold. It is something I would actually do. Hi, Mas! How you doing? What's up? What's up? I'm glad to see you. This is a must. It is a must. It is a must. Next button. Also, oh, actually 40% of people press that one. Huh. You know what? It's not that surprising, is it? It's not that surprising. I think a lot of weebs press that one, if they're like me. Okay. Anytime you hear your name, you earn 5,000. But, however, upon hearing your name, you cannot speak for 6 hours. Also, you feel like you're hit by a truck for a minute. Okay. Here's my thinking on this. The only people who actually call me by my name are Papa Sayin and Mama Hellhound. No one else calls me by my name. Because I don't have friends. And the few friends I do have, they call me... We've talked about this already. As a meme, they keep calling me Alice because I wanted to be named Alice when I was younger. So they keep calling me Alice, which is not my name. So! And you guys call me Rika. Okay, here's... Okay, it's just my name. Wait! Is it my... What if you all just call me Help Up? Wait, because it's cool. No, wait, it's here, so it's fine. I was gonna say, because you guys call me Rika. So, since you guys write it... Right? I don't hear it, right? So it's different. And also, yeah, you can call me Help Up. You can call me Help Up, but you know, let's say I don't hear it, right? So I just have to ask the people around me to call me another name, like the 2 people who actually call me by my name. Because you guys, it's fine. You just say Rika in chat. I can't hear you, but if I ask Papa, Satan, and Mama Hellhound to call me... let's say Alice, it's fine. If I tell them to call me like this, I get... Wait, no, because I have to hear my name to get... Shit! Wait, no! No, that doesn't work, because if I don't hear my name, I don't get the money! I don't get the money! If I don't hear my name, I don't get the money, chat! Shit, that doesn't work! Get someone to use your name to wish you good night. No need to speak when sleeping, then just go by a nickname. You're right, that's fair. But also, you feel like you've been hit by a truck for a minute, and I feel like I'm not sure. Because if you feel like you've been hit by a truck for a minute, I'm not sure you can sleep. Then again, no one can hear you scream. No one can hear you. You know what? I'll do it for science. Cause Jordan has a good point. Very, very good point. 48% of people would do it, and 52% would not. I'm actually kind of impressed that so many people would do it. It's basically 50-50. Yeah, basically. Literally the blood of a silent... Is it? I've never watched it. I need to watch it. I'm gonna tell you guys a secret, okay? A YouTube secret, but don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. It's because you guys are nice. You're here at the start-ish of the stream. It's only been 30 minutes. So, okay, I'm gonna tell you a secret. I'm gonna start a new YouTube series about, like, small recommendations of anime. So if you have animes you want me to watch, I can recommend them, mayhaps. Anime, games, whatever. And I kind of wanna recommend, recommendation. That's such a good name. I'm gonna steal that. Jordan, I'm stealing that. But I also want to do, like, a lot of underrated, kind of like unknown kind of thing. Think kind of like Ore Twin Tail. Wait, this is a fucking long ass name. I had it in mind earlier because I was actually, I don't know why, I found a video on it again. I think it's Orewa Twin Tails ni narimasu. It's an anime about a dude transforming into a twin tail girl, and basically they're all like twin tail magical girls, and they will have like a specific twin tail power. Anyway, I watch really weird anime, okay? But yeah, I kind of want to talk about a bit, you know, unusual stuff. So yeah, that's the thing. Woo, you've been teased, and now that I've said it, I have to do it. That's the reason why I said it. Hi, Max! How you doing? I'm glad to see you. Damn it, Go's gonna type that too. You got bamboozled. Except lots of time, not the easiest task. Yeah. Yeah, I want more people to see the weird-ass animes I've been watching. Because I've been kind of like not watching that much anime like the last year because I've been very busy. But, you know, I still have been watching my fair bit also when I was younger and shit. And I've actually watched a lot of like not well-known at all animes because I was kind of the kid who didn't want to watch the popular stuff, so I would look for really obscure shit. That's how fun me strawberry eggs. I also had like an anime list, which I was, you know, like my anime list, and I was like religiously filling it, and I was even putting my hentai and my kimochi stuff in it. Anyway, one day I decided I want to show Papa Satan what my anime list is, and I forget that I've just added like Yabe play animes in there, and so I show him, and like thankfully it's like miniatures, and I'm showing him on my phone, and I show him, I'm like, oh look, it's really cool, I can put all the anime I watch in there. And while scrolling, there's like the big ass Yabe thingy zooms in, and I'm like, oh no. So I quickly scroll, and I was like, okay, yeah, that's it. I just gotta go that way now. I just gotta do, yep, that's all I wanted to show you. Hi, hi, don't call me a cat. Don't call me a cat. Don't call me a cat. I'm not a cat. I will never be a cat. The weird thing about isekai and sentiment is that they often never mention the character previous often as jeering. I don't like isekai animes at all. Oh, I noticed something recently. I was looking through Crunchyroll to start something to watch, like okay, to decide on something to watch, and it actually came to my attention that a lot of isekai anime have. Why am I glitching? Have in another world in them, like blah 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 in another world. I got reincarnated in another world. I became a prince in another world. Blah 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 in another world, and they all have in another world in them. It's so weird. What? Where's your originality? I'm so mad. Every time I see an anime with another world in it now, I don't want to watch it. I think the only isekai anime that's actually interesting is My Next Life as a Villainess. I haven't watched any other that are interesting. Maybe season 1 of Sword Art Online. Maybe that's unpopular. I think season 1 of Sword Art Online is nice, and then it's kind of shitty. Everything after is kind of shitty, but I do like season 1. Why am I like this? Why am I stuttering? Stop stuttering. I don't know what's up with my V-Bridger today. Traveler's Reincarnation is good. There's one that looks cool. It's like people get isekai'd and they won't get a skill, and one of them just gets a skill to like buy shit online and he cooks. That's what I've been told. That looks cool and I want to watch that, but I haven't yet. Okay, Damika, I won't call you one. Stop it! Also, why am I stuttering like this? Why am I stuttering like that? Okay, let me refresh V-Bridger. I don't know what's up. Okay, maybe now. No, still laggy. I don't know what's up. Is my Wi-Fi? Am I stuttering? Am I stuttering? I hope I'm not stuttering. I don't know what's up. Inuyasha is a good. Wait, Inuyasha is a good isekai. It's an isekai. That's an isekai. I haven't watched it. I'm a bad anime fan. I'm a bad anime fan. Man, I'm really annoyed by this stuttering. If it keeps going, I'll probably try to reset my Wi-Fi. I'm sorry. You know what? Girl falls into whale in another world. You know what? I think that means that Alice in Wonderland qualifies as an isekai, and I think we can all say that Alice in Wonderland is the best isekai. Now, Milo isn't stuttering to me because it is to me. But okay, if it's not stuttering, okay. So as Wizard of Oz. You're right. You're right. That is true. That is actually very true. Narnia. Narnia is definitely good. I love Narnia. I love Narnia. I haven't watched the last movie, I think. I know they made another one on the book with the prince dude. You know when they get in the painting? Wait, no, actually I did. I did watch that one in the end, but like I didn't know they had made one. Did I watch it? No, I'm not even sure I watched it. I can't remember. But I did definitely watch the 2 first ones. Okay, we're experiencing technical difficulties. So I'm gonna put myself on BRB really quick and I'm gonna yeet my Wi-Fi in the room. And we'll BRB, okay? Because it's annoying me. I don't like the stuttering. So I'll BRB, okay? I'll try to fix the Wi-Fi stuff. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ba 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 ba.